Welcome, I am Daniel Terhune from Real Estate Advantage. Always remember, have a plan, go with Dan. Own a piece of history with this elegant Victorian. Originally built for the Prather family, this home is on the NY State Register for Historical Places. Lovingly restored by the previous owners, the interior is like stepping back into the early 1900s when the original house was built. Much of the original woodwork remains, as well as the oak staircase. Updates have been done throughout, including the kitchen, which has ample cupboard space, granite countertops, and modern appliances. There is also a formal dining room, a foyer, a Florida room, and first-floor laundry. In addition to being a stunning piece of history, many of the recent updates to the home make